I say about river Narmada flowing between marble rocks. Bhedaghat is Jabalpur is a symbol of very beautiful marble. I saw Bhedaghat only in picture. The beauty used to shine in it. Like the beauty of Taj Mahal attract us. But the rocks of Bhedaghat do not look as beautiful as they are in natural form, on which the dirt of environment has spoiled him. The marble we see around us, it is cut and polished. I imagine it the same kind of marble, but just as ordinary people do not recognize the diamond extracted from the quarry. Marble is here. The variety of rocks in seen in Jabalpur. It feels like coming here to bow down to nature. Many colors of marble are seen. Marble appears with a mixture of many colors such as pink, green, grey and different colors. First we saw the view of these rocks by car from above, seeing which she was dazzled. The beauty of the Narmada river flowing through these rocks was captivating the mind. The pink marble rocks were common to us earlier, but later it was understood that it is also marble. We had to descend a lot of stairs to travel by boat from Bhedaghat. On either side of the stair, people had kept marble items for sale. Such things can be made from stone. Did not even imagine it. We visited Bhedaghat in a boat. His fun was completely different between because of the huge rocks coming from below. He was showing the greatness of nature. In front of him, we are merely instruments. I could not understand how there were so many holes in the middle of such huge rocks. This cannot be a human act. These holes were visible from bottom to top. Our mariner was young and well versed in conversation. He made our journey entertaining with his funny talk. He was imagining the clothes of actors in cars, trees, tanks, monkey, torn clothes somewhere in those rocks. In these places were the shooting of which film was also done. We were describing it. We were doing to laugh and it's pleasant thing. The boat trip's ticket was rupees 300, but the sailor recovered the most 50 rupees separately due to his witty accent. In order to recover the extra money, he landed the boat some distance from the right place. I had the beauty of Bhedaghat in the afternoon and evening, but the moonlight was immersed in the night imagination. When the whole moon separates its moonlight on these rocks, then the mind will captivating.